So today we are gonna get some very exciting news to share with you all. Xiaomi, known for its innovative tech gadgets, has just stepped into the automotive world with the unveiling of its first car, the Su7. This sleek and futuristic vehicle is packed with cutting-edge features that will surely turn heads on the road. From its smart connectivity options to its safety standards, Xiaomi has truly raised the bar with the Su7. But that's not all. The Su7 also boasts impressive performance capabilities, making it the standout choice for those who value both style and substance in their ride. With Xiaomi's signature attention to detail, you can accept nothing but the best. So, if you are ready to witness the future of transportation, buckle up and join us as we take a closer look at the Xiaomi's groundbreaking entry into the automotive industry. The highly anticipated Su7 is the first car in Xiaomi's lineup, which is positioned as a full-size, high-performance eco-sedan. The company has claimed to have breakthroughs in key sectors such as e-motor battery, Xiaomi hyper die casting, autopilot, and smart cabin. Starting with the e-motor, it comes in three motor choices: super engine V6, V6S, and hyper engine V8S. With its V8S engine, with a maximum speed of 27,200 rpm, 425 kilowatts out and 635 Nm of torque. For its cooling, it's incorporated bidirectional full oil cooling and S-shaped oil conduct design. And its V8S is set to be in mass production in 2025, while its battery, 120 mm battery and fluoride thickness, 91% wiring harness reduced and charge range of 1200 kilometers. It also comes with a state-of-the-art die casting, and it has something called the smart cabin with a 16.1-inch 3K console, 56-inch HUD and AI built-in, and is set to launch in India with a price of 24 lakhs. Will this be a success or a flop, considering it's Xiaomi's first step in the car market? Only time can tell. Today we have some very exciting news to share with you all. The highly anticipated Realme 12X 5G is all set to make its grand debut in the mobile market very soon, with an estimated price of 12,000 rupees, which can disrupt the entry-level market. This cutting-edge device is packed with top-notch features that are sure to elevate your smartphone experience to a whole new level. From lightning-fast 5G connectivity to a stunning display and a powerful performance, the Realme 12X 5G has you covered. Whether you're gaming or photography, or simply who value speed and efficiency in their day-to-day tasks, this smartphone is designed to meet all your needs and more. And also is the slimmest phone in its segment, which combines high performance with high-speed 5G. Its innovative feature is set to disrupt the market in a big way. On the other hand, we have news from YouTube. The news which is coming out is that YouTube just removed 2.25 million videos in India for violating its terms and community guidelines in Q4 2023. The number of videos removed from platform between October to December is the highest among 30 nations. Singapore and US were behind India during the same period, and 96% was flagged by machine. YouTube further removed 20 million channels in Q4 for spam and other comments. More than 1.1 billion comments were automatically directed and removed too, according to YouTube. On the last news, we have news about the Realme launching its new C65 5G at the end of this month, and is set to be priced just under 15,000 rupees for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. The specs of the phones are quite impressive, with a display featuring 6.72-inch screen with 120Hz refresh rate, running on the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 processor. It is also rumored to have a 108 megapixel camera and a 5000 mAh battery, and in connectivity is going to have 5G module. It's quite an amazing package, considering its price will only come to under 15,000 rupees, and it will come in colors from black, violet, gold and silver, and is set to launch very soon.